Hello dear students, you will see the series of 400 multiple choice questions of science and technology for standard 10th class. Now let us see the 20 multiple choice questions of the chapter 7 lenses. Question number 1. The point inside a lens on the principal axis through which light rays pass without changing their path is called as dash dash. Option A, center of curvature. B option, optical center. C option, principal axis. And D option, incident point. Correct answer is option B, optical center. Question number 2. The point dash dash is not shown on the main axis of the lenses. Option A, center of curvature. Option B, optical center. Option C, principal focus. And option D, power of lens. The correct answer is that option D, power of lens. Question number 3. Which is the position of an object to get a virtual and erect image through a convex lens? Option A, at infinity. B, between f1 and 2f1. C option, between f1 and optical center O. And D option, at the principal focus f1. The correct answer is that option C, between f1 and optical center O. Question number 4. The position of an object to get the image of the same size and inverted image through a convex lens. Option A, at infinity. B option, between f1 and 2f1. C option, at 2f1. And D option, at f1. The correct answer is that option C, at 2f1. Question number 5. When an object is at infinity, a convex lens creates an image of the object at this point dash dash. A option, between f1 and O. B option, between f1 and 2f1. C option, at f2. And D option, beyond 2f2. Correct answer is option C, at f2. Question number 6. The shape of the image obtained through the concave lens is dash dash. Option A, virtual and erect. B option, virtual and inverted. C option, real and inverted. And D option, real and erect. The correct answer is that option A, virtual and erect. Question number 7. The position of the image formed when object is placed anywhere except the infinity distance in front of the concave lens is option A, beyond 2f2. B, between f1 and 2f1. C, between f1 and optical center O. And D option, at f1. Correct answer is option C, between f1 and optical center. Question number 8. In which of the following situation the negative distance is measured according to the Cartesian sign? Option A, in the direction of incident ray. B, the distance measured to the right of the optical center. Option C, distance perpendicular to the principal axis and below. D, all of the above. The correct answer is that option C, distance perpendicular to the principal axis and below. Question number 9. Diopter is a unit of dash dash. A option, magnification. B, power of lens. C, the focal length of concave lens. And D, the focal length of convex lens. Correct option is option B, power of lens. Question number 10. Which of the following is the formula of lens? A option, 1 divided by V plus 1 divided by U is equal to 1 divided by F. B option, 1 divided by V minus 1 divided by U is equal to 1 divided by F. C option, 1 divided by V plus 1 divided by U is equal to 2 divided by F. And D option, 1 divided by U into 1 divided by V is equal to 1 divided by F. The correct answer is option B, 1 divided by V minus 1 divided by U is equal to 1 divided by F. Question number 11. Which of the following is the formula of magnification? Option A, M is equal to V divided by U. B option, P is equal to 1 divided by F in meter. C, 1 divided by V plus 1 divided by U is equal to 2 divided by F. And D option, N is equal to sin I divided by sin R. Correct answer is option A, M is equal to V divided by U. Question number 12. The formula P is equal to P1 plus P2 is of dash dash. Option A, lens formula. B, magnification. C, power of lens. And D, combination of lens. Correct answer is option D, combination of lens. Question number 13. There is a small hole of changing diameter at the center of the iris which is called as dash dash. A option, cornea. B, retina. C, crystalline lens. And D, pupil. Correct answer is option D, pupil. Question number 14. In a religious state of eyes, the focal length of healthy eyes is dash dash. Option A, 2 cm. B, 0.5 cm. C, 25 cm. And D, 10 cm. The correct answer is option C, 25 cm. Question number 15. This part of the eye contains light sensitive cells are dash dash. A option, cornea. B, sclerotic coat. C, retina. And D, crystalline lens. Correct answer is option C, retina. Question number 16. Which of the following points is not related to myopia or nearsightedness? A option, increases the curvature of the cornea. B, the distance between crystalline lens and the retina increases. C, the shape of the eyeball becomes elongated. And D, these effects can be corrected by using convex lens. The correct answer is the option D is the not related myopia. Question number 17. A person who has both defects of myopia and hypermetropia needs a lens dash dash. A option, bifocal lens. B, concave lens. C, convex lens. And D, biconvex lens. Correct answer is option A, bifocal lens. Question number 18. Which of the following dash dash this device does not contain use of concave lens? Answer A, scanner. B, kaleidoscope. C, CD player. And D, none of the above. Correct answer is option B, kaleidoscope. Question number 19. Which of the following is made using mirror and lens? A option, simple microscope. B, refracting telescope. C, reflecting telescope. And D, compound microscope. Correct answer is option B, refracting telescope. Question number 20. A person with color blindness cannot distinguish between the following color. Option A, yellow and red. B, red and green. C, green and blue. And D, white and red. Correct answer is option B, red and green. In this way, we have learned 20 questions of chapter lenses. I hope that these 20 questions are helpful for your examination. Thank you.